Hi everyone! Remember Gepard? Today we're crafting two key pieces. First we'll tackle his iconic white pants and then we'll create the white glove. Let's get sewing! We'll start customizing this white jeans by adding some golden faux leather. This belt has the ideal width, so I'm using this to trace the edges. This should be long enough. As the pair of jeans will go into his boots, I won't sew the golden strips all the way down. Trace and cut 4 strips of gold. 2 will go on the back and 2 will go on the front. I'm using wonder clips instead of pins, as pins would permanently puncture the faux leather. Use the right needle and pressure foot when you're sewing faux leather. This wide pressure foot makes sure my seams look nice and flat. Add some top stitching right in the middle on all 4 strips. The top stitching has to be a bit longer on the 2 strips that go on the front of the jeans. Make some cuts into the edge so you can fold your faux leather without wrinkles. I'm using contact glue. This is the same type of glue we also use on our foam builds. To make them both look the same is our main challenge here. I'm using the back of a pencil to bend and press down my fabric. The edges will go last. Before bending them completely, I'll bend the outer corner of the edge a bit inwards. This way our corner will look nice and sharp. Just a little bit of extra pressure and they are ready to be sewn onto the jeans. As you can see, I'm using pins. Don't worry, I'm carefully using the holes that are already there. The strip at the back will be sewn from the back pocket and is slightly curved in the middle. I'll rip a part of the side seam of this jeans. This will make it so much easier to sew the strips on. Once everything is attached, all we need to do is close that side seam again. And this pair of jeans is ready to be worn. But it's not finished yet. We still need to add some golden details beneath the front pockets. Create a paper pattern and use pins to mark the spot where this V shape needs to be. Trace the paper V onto your golden faux leather. Use wonder clips and edge stitch these golden V's before sewing them onto your jeans. And that's all there is to it. Gepard can defend Bellowbog with his pants on. With this out of the way, time to cover his left hand. We'll sew this glove in the easiest way possible. Use a really stretchy cotton or lycra for this method. I traced my hand on a piece of paper and added a little bit extra between the fingers. This glove is for his left hand and we only have to make one glove. Trace and cut this template one time on the wrong side of the fabric. For the inside of the hand, I'll use the pattern without the additions. Iron both pieces. I'm also ironing the folds we need to sew later on. Just use the chalk markings as a reference. With Seriflex from Medlar you can ditch zigzag stitches. This elastic thread lets you sew stretchy fabrics with straight stitches. Perfect for gloves where clean seams make all the difference. Pin both sides of the glove together. Once you're done sewing, check to see if every finger feels good. If you're satisfied, add a second seam for strength and to prevent fraying. And the glove's finished as well. Alright everyone, that's it for today's video. I hope you'll feel inspired to create this white glove. Or maybe customize your own pair of jeans. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more cosplay content. Also, I'd love to see your creations, so feel free to share them. Just tag us on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching and let's keep making cosplay together!